Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chicken jockey in Minecraft. Let's dive into understanding this unique mob combination. A chicken jockey is essentially a baby zombie, or one of its variants, riding a chicken. They are a rare sight in the game, combining the traits of both creatures. While they might look amusing, remember they are hostile and can be quite fast, making them tricky to deal with in survival mode. Chicken jockeys can spawn naturally, though it's quite rare. In Java Edition, when a baby zombie spawns, there's a 5% chance it will ride an existing chicken. If no chickens are around, there's another 5% chance a new chicken will spawn with the baby zombie. For Bedrock Edition players, baby zombies have a 15% chance to find and mount a chicken or even other mobs when attacking. If you're looking to increase your chances of finding a chicken jockey, consider building a zombie farm close to a chicken pen. This strategy helps by increasing the overall number of baby zombies that spawn. Remember to light up the surrounding areas to ensure only zombies appear. Once you find one, use name tags on both the baby zombie and the chicken to keep your unique mob from despawning. For a guaranteed chicken jockey, especially in creative mode, you can use a command. First, ensure cheats are enabled in your world settings. Then, open the chat and enter the command /summon chicken ~1 followed by passengers, then the zombie ID and his baby set to 1. This will instantly spawn a chicken jockey right in front of you, making it the easiest way to get one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.